What's up guys, so today we're going to play some more Cluster Truck. And I say, let's get started with the level that I keep on losing on. Yep. And we haven't played this for a little while. And well, a little bit close. Ooh. I died. And guys, and I made it. And I made a video of me making level 6 when it actually glitched out. And it didn't go onto YouTube. I was like, strange. And I actually made level 6, and yeah. So this is level 7 up there, you could see. And yeah, I like that. Alright, now let's start. Oh, pop! I was close there, guys and girls, guys and gals, if you're watching. Alright, now I've shared this YouTube channel to a few other of my friends, like, oh yes, no, oh, that's so hard. So on level 6, oh, I might make this. On level 6, when you come on the first, when you start on all those trucks, and then you hit the jump and land on the other trucks that are going across you, and then that was all just you did on level 6. You just had to land on one of those trucks and make it. But on this level, there's two parts of the trucks coming across. I actually might do a video of this that actually not even making anything. Oh, you son of a. Oops. Oh, damn, I didn't, no. Alright. Oh, damn. I wasn't concentrated. Now, I hope you guys liked my other episode, or like today when I made that that video. I hope you guys like my skill though. Do you like my skill? Hope you guys do. It's really skill, like it's a really good skill made of kindness. Ooh! Ooh! No! The girl was right there, guys. Oh, which way? Oh, no. I did not make it. Well, I shall put into that video, guys. Please leave a comment, please subscribe, and bye.